Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Chatterino, easy method. Open Chatterino, click Settings, then Accounts, and add your Twitch account using OAuth or token. Next, choose Themes, enable emotes and custom CSS if desired. Finally, create filters and highlight words to stay organized across channels. Test connection by joining a channel and sending a message to confirm chat sync is working. Adjust hotkeys for quick toggles and save your settings. Linking accounts is simple and keeps your chats synced across sessions. Go to Accounts, choose Add Account, and follow the OAuth flow to authorize access. If you prefer tokens, paste a valid token into the token field and label the account. After connecting, set a default account for joins and whispers. Always verify by opening a channel and checking your displayed username and emote rights in chat. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and smarter floor cleaning, because tidy desks help tidy minds. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more about the product seen here. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Organize your layout for clarity and speed by creating splits and pinning important channels. Use filters to hide repetitive messages and highlights to mark moderator pings or keywords. Tweak message formatting, timestamps, and line spacing to keep chat readable during long streams. Save your layout as a preset so you can recall it quickly. Regularly review filters and highlights to adapt to changing chat behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.